Hi everyone and welcome to iHeart Health. Today we're diving deep into a topic that hits close to home for many, the link between diabetes and cancer risk. Meet Michael, a dedicated teacher in his late 50s who always prioritized his family and his students. Diagnosed with type 2 diabetes in his early 40s, Michael diligently managed his condition. He followed his doctor's advice, watched his diet, and stayed active. Life, for the most part, felt balanced and fulfilling. Then the unexpected happened. During a routine checkup, Michael's doctor noticed some concerning irregularities. Further tests revealed a diagnosis that shook Michael to his core early-stage pancreatic cancer. The news hit him like a ton of bricks. Cancer? How could this be happening? Especially when he was already managing his diabetes. Fear and uncertainty clouded Michael's thoughts. The future he envisioned seemed to slip away, replaced by a whirlwind of doctor's appointments, treatments, and a constant worry about what lay ahead. The gravity of his situation wasn't lost on Michael. He knew he had to fight, not just for himself, but for the people he loved most. This diagnosis, as daunting as it was, became a turning point. Michael resolved to approach this challenge with the same determination and resilience he had shown throughout his life. He dove headfirst into researching his condition, determined to understand the link between his diabetes and this new battle with cancer. He sought out the best oncologists and endocrinologists, working closely with them to develop a comprehensive treatment plan that addressed both his diabetes and cancer. Michael's journey wasn't easy. There were days filled with fatigue, discomfort, and moments of doubt. But he never gave up. He drew strength from his family's unwavering support and found solace in small victories along the way. Michael's story is a testament to the power of knowledge, early detection, and proactive healthcare. Stay with us as we delve into the science behind this link and empower you with the information you need to take control of your health. As we heard in Michael's story, the journey from a diabetes diagnosis to facing cancer can be daunting, leaving many individuals searching for answers. The truth is, there's a complex interplay between diabetes and cancer risk, one that scientists are still unraveling. However, what we do know is that this connection is real, and understanding it is crucial for anyone living with diabetes. At the heart of this link lies hyperglycemia, or high blood sugar, a hallmark of diabetes. When our bodies can't effectively use insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar, glucose builds up in our bloodstream. Over time, this chronic elevation in blood sugar creates a cellular environment that can fuel the development and progression of cancer. Imagine our cells as tiny factories, each with a specific job to do. These factories thrive on a balanced energy supply, with glucose being a primary source. Now picture a scenario where these factories are constantly bombarded with excess glucose, like an assembly line overloaded with raw materials. This overload disrupts the normal functioning of our cells, creating a state of stress and instability. This cellular chaos, fueled by chronic high blood sugar, can damage DNA, the blueprint of our cells, increasing the risk of mutations that can lead to cancer. While high blood sugar is a key player in the diabetes-cancer link, it's not the only culprit. Insulin resistance, another hallmark of type 2 diabetes, also plays a significant role in fostering an environment conducive to cancer development. Insulin, often described as a key that unlocks our cells to allow glucose to enter, becomes less effective in the face of insulin resistance. Our bodies try to compensate by producing more insulin, leading to hyperinsulinemia or high levels of insulin in the blood. Insulin isn't just a regulator of blood sugar, it also plays a role in cell growth and proliferation. When insulin levels remain persistently high, they can stimulate the growth of certain cells, including cancer cells. This constant signaling from high insulin levels can create a fertile ground for cancer to take root and flourish. Moreover, insulin resistance is often accompanied by a state of chronic inflammation in the body. Inflammation, a natural process our bodies use to fight off infection and injury, becomes problematic when it becomes chronic. In the context of diabetes and cancer, chronic inflammation acts like a smoldering fire, slowly but steadily damaging surrounding tissues and creating conditions that promote cancer development. Think of inflammation as our body's SOS signal, alerting the immune system to an area in need of repair. When this signal persists due to high blood sugar and insulin resistance, it keeps our immune system in a constant state of alert, leading to collateral damage. This chronic inflammation can damage DNA within our cells, increasing the likelihood of mutations that can lead to cancer. Furthermore, it can impair the function of our immune system, making it less effective at recognizing and destroying cancerous cells. While high blood sugar and insulin resistance are central to the diabetes cancer link, they don't paint the whole picture. Other factors commonly associated with diabetes, such as obesity, poor diet, and lack of physical activity, also contribute significantly to cancer risk. Obesity, often intertwined with diabetes, creates a state of chronic inflammation in the body, further fueling the fire that can promote cancer development. Adipose tissue or body fat secretes inflammatory molecules that circulate throughout the body, damaging cells and impairing immune function. Poor dietary choices, high in processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats contribute to inflammation, insulin resistance, and weight gain, further increasing cancer risk. These dietary factors create a vicious cycle, exacerbating the underlying conditions that promote cancer development. Lack of physical activity compounds these risks. Regular exercise not only helps regulate blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity, but also reduces inflammation, strengthens the immune system, and helps maintain a healthy weight. As we delve deeper into the link between diabetes and cancer risk, it's essential to examine the scientific evidence that underpins this connection. Numerous studies over the years have shed light on the increased susceptibility to certain cancers among individuals living with diabetes. One such study, published in the prestigious journal Diabetologia, analyzed data from over 1 million adults and found that individuals with type 2 diabetes had a significantly higher risk of developing several types of cancer, including liver, pancreatic, and endometrial cancer. The study revealed a sobering reality. The presence of diabetes increased the overall risk of cancer by approximately 10%. Another large-scale study conducted by researchers at the American Cancer Society echoed these findings. Their analysis, which followed over 900,000 adults for nearly 2 decades, revealed a heightened risk of colorectal, bladder, and breast cancer among individuals with type 2 diabetes. These findings underscored the need for increased awareness and proactive measures to address this critical health concern. While the statistics can be concerning, it's crucial to remember that they represent overall trends and don't necessarily predict an individual's fate. Expert insights, voices from the medical front line. Oncologists and endocrinologists provide invaluable insights into the diabetes cancer link. Dr. Emily Carter emphasizes early detection and proactive management for diabetes. Diabetes creates a pro-inflammatory state, fueling cancer development. Controlling blood sugar and adopting a healthy lifestyle can reduce cancer risk. Dr. Mark Williams highlights the role of insulin resistance in cancer growth. A collaborative healthcare approach is crucial for managing diabetes and reducing cancer risk. Section 3. Connecting the dots, understanding the shared pathways. As we've explored the scientific evidence and expert opinions, it's evident that the link between diabetes and cancer is multifaceted, involving a complex interplay of biological mechanisms. Understanding these shared pathways is key to developing effective prevention and treatment strategies. One common thread that weaves through this story is chronic inflammation. Diabetes, particularly when poorly managed, creates a persistent inflammatory state in the body. This low-grade inflammation simmering beneath the surface damages DNA, impairs immune function, and sets the stage for cancer development. Insulin resistance, another key player in this intricate puzzle, contributes to cancer risk through multiple avenues. High levels of insulin, a consequence of insulin resistance, can stimulate the growth of cancer cells. These interconnected pathways highlight the complexity of the diabetes cancer link, emphasizing the need for comprehensive approaches that address multiple risk factors simultaneously. Section 1. Empowering change. Lifestyle modifications for a healthier future. Knowledge is power, and understanding the link between diabetes and cancer empowers us to take control of our health. While the statistics we've discussed might seem daunting, it's crucial to remember that we're not defined by our diagnoses. We have the power to make positive changes that can significantly reduce our risk and improve our overall well-being. Lifestyle modifications form the cornerstone of cancer prevention for individuals with diabetes. These changes aren't about deprivation or drastic overhauls, they're about making sustainable choices that nourish our bodies and support our long-term health. By embracing a holistic approach that encompasses nutrition, physical activity, and stress management, we can create an environment within our bodies that is inhospitable to cancer. It's important to remember that these lifestyle changes aren't a quick fix. They're an investment in our future health. Just as diabetes management requires ongoing attention, so too does cancer prevention. The journey might have its challenges, but the rewards are immeasurable. A longer, healthier life filled with vitality and the ability to enjoy the things we love most. Healthcare professionals, support groups, and loved ones are there to provide guidance, encouragement, and a listening ear. Section 2. Nutrition, fueling your body for optimal health. When it comes to reducing cancer risk for individuals with diabetes, nutrition takes center stage. The food we consume provides the building blocks for our cells, fuels our bodies, and influences the delicate balance of hormones and inflammation within us. By making conscious choices about what we put on our plates, we can create an internal environment that supports our body's natural defenses against cancer. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provides a powerful arsenal of nutrients that work synergistically to protect against cancer. These foods are brimming with antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and fiber, all of which play a vital role in maintaining cellular health, reducing inflammation, and supporting healthy blood sugar control. On the flip side, processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of unhealthy fats can fuel inflammation, disrupt blood sugar balance, and contribute to weight gain, all of which increase cancer risk. By limiting our intake of these dietary saboteurs, we can create a more favorable environment within our bodies, one that is less conducive to cancer development. Section 3. Exercise, moving towards a cancer-free tomorrow. Physical activity, often touted for its numerous health benefits, emerges as a potent weapon in the fight against cancer, particularly for individuals with diabetes. Exercise isn't just about burning calories, it's about transforming our bodies from the inside out, strengthening our defenses, and reducing our susceptibility to this formidable disease. Regular physical activity helps regulate blood sugar levels, improving insulin sensitivity and reducing the damaging effects of high blood sugar on our cells. This improved blood sugar control, in turn, helps lower inflammation, creating an environment less hospitable to cancer development. Beyond its impact on blood sugar and inflammation, exercise strengthens our immune system, our body's natural defense force against cancer. Regular physical activity enhances the activity of immune cells, making them more efficient at recognizing and destroying cancerous cells before they have a chance to take hold. Moreover, exercise helps maintain a healthy weight, another crucial factor in cancer prevention. Obesity, often linked to diabetes, increases the risk of several types of cancer. By incorporating regular physical activity into our routines, we can manage our weight more effectively, further reducing our risk. Find activities you enjoy and that fit into your lifestyle, whether it's brisk walking, cycling, swimming, dancing, or gardening. Taking charge of your health. Knowledge is power. Understanding diabetes and cancer risk helps us take proactive steps. Michael's story shows a diabetes diagnosis doesn't dictate destiny. His informed choices empowered him to overcome challenges. Embrace a holistic approach: nutrition, exercise, stress management. It's about making small, sustainable changes for big results. Section 2. Your journey starts today. Embrace a healthier future. Your journey towards a healthier, cancer-free future begins today. It starts with a single step: a conscious choice to prioritize your well-being. It's about fueling your body with nourishing foods, moving your body in ways that bring you joy, and managing stress through practices that bring you peace. Remember, you don't have to navigate this path alone. Your healthcare team, support groups, and loved ones are all valuable resources on this journey. Don't hesitate to reach out for guidance, support, or a listening ear. Together, we can create a world where diabetes no longer casts a shadow of fear over our lives, but instead empowers us to live our healthiest, most vibrant lives. Thank you for watching iHeartHealth. We hope this video has empowered you with knowledge and inspired you to take charge of your health. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative and inspiring content. Until next time, stay healthy and live well.